Hey there. Welcome back to our channel. If you're using the Threads app for messaging on Instagram, you may be interested in learning how to open the Profiles You Know menu. This menu allows you to see accounts that you follow, your followers, and any pending following requests. In this video, we'll show you how to access this menu in just a few simple steps. To get started, open the Threads app on your Android device. Tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap on the three stacked lines in the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. Scroll down the menu until you see Privacy and tap on it. From here, you can access the Profiles You Know menu. This menu displays the accounts that you follow, your followers, and any pending following requests. If you have any pending following requests, you'll see them listed at the top of the menu. You can accept or reject these requests by tapping on them and selecting the appropriate option. Below the pending requests, you'll see the accounts that you're currently following. You can tap on any of these accounts to view their profile and see their posts. Finally, at the bottom of the menu, you'll see your followers. You can tap on any of these accounts to view their profile and see their posts as well. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily open the Profiles You Know menu in Threads and manage your following activity on Instagram. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions or feedback, leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.